This is Mission Control Houston. The hatch is now open to the Pirs docking compartment.
Situation going with your visor. You bet.
Of the Zvezda Service Module to the work site at the very aft end of the module. And with the crew running slightly behind schedule on its timeline, the decision was made by the Russian flight controllers to jettison the old electronics box for the Lyra high-gain antenna. You just saw Misurkin cast it away retrograde from the aft end of the Zvezda Service Module, and there it goes. The International Space Station currently flying over the North Atlantic, just off the east coast of the United States.
Let's continue discussion. Our task is to remove the transportation frame first attached to ourselves.
Ты там с твоей стороны